ॐ खानिलाग्न्यब्धरित्र्यन्तं स्रक्फणीवोद्गतं यतः ध्वान्तच्छिदे नमस्तस्मै हरये बुद्धिसाक्षिणे शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। नैष्कर्म्य सिद्धि चैप्टर 2 श्लोक नंबर 89। बुद्धि इज परिणामी, आत्मा इज अपरिणामी। that one atma chaitanya swarupa illumines chandala buddhi and brahma buddhi. That was said in 88. टीका भेदस्य वास्तवत्वं कस्मान्न स्यात् इत्याशंक्य आह भेदक अभावात् इति परिहरति कस्माद् इत्यादिना। उभयोर ज्योतिर्भाष्य भेद भेदात् अनेकवत्। The jyoti which illumines the bhasya padartha, drishya padartha, is one. But bhasya bhedat, because of the bhasya bheda, it appears that there are many drik, drashta. But in reality, bhedaka abhava is there. Nothing will divide Atma, Chaitanya. There is no bhedaka for Atma. In this way, he does the parihara. So, bheda is not vastavika. Where bheda is not vastavika?
In
drashta. अवस्था देश कालादि भेदो नास्त्यनयोर्यतः तस्मात् जगद्धियां वृत्तं ज्योतिरेकं सदेक्षते। अवस्था देश कालादि भेदो नास्त्यनयोर्यतः तस्मात् जगद्धियां वृत्तं ज्योतिरेकं सदेक्षते। अनयोर यतः यस्मात् अनयोर अवस्था देश कालादि भेदो नास्ति तस्मात् जगद्धियां वृत्तम एकम ज्योति ही सदा ईक्षते। वृत्तम और अनदर पार्ट इज देयर नृत्तम. Earlier also we saw this vrittam and nrittam. Anayoho, kayoho?
Chandala Buddhi and Brahma Buddhi.
If you take that, between Chandala Buddhi and Brahma Buddhi, Anayoho avastha desha kaladi bhedo nasti. But between Chandala Buddhi and Brahma Buddhi, avastha desha kala bheda is there.
So the drashtra or drik.
Drashta.
Not drashta and drishya. if you have to tell anayoho shashti dvivachan, how will you tell for drashta?
दृष्टे है
drashte hai, dvivachan you have to tell.
द्रष्टृः
Drashtroho, correct. Drashtroho. Anayoho drashtroho. Avastha desha kaladi bhedo nasti. The two drashtas, their avastha bheda in another tika says avastha means hrasvatva dirghatva ityadi. Or you take jagrat swapna shushupti in avastha. Desha, kala, in different desha, in different kala. There is no bheda between two drashtas. Drashta of Chandala Buddhi, drashta of Brahma Buddhi is one. Tasmat, therefore, Jagat Dhyam Vrittam, of all the buddhis of this Jagat, Ekam Jyotihi Sada Vrittam Ikshate. Sada Ikshate, Vrittam. Vrittam means their sthiti. Vartanam, their act. Or Nrittam. Nrittam is their dance. Dance of all intellect is illumined by one Jyotihi, Brahma, all the time, Sada. टीका आदि शब्देन अवस्था देश कालादि आदि शब्देन भेद का गुणादयो गृह्यते. Any other guna which will distinguish between two drashta. There are no two drashtas because there is no bhedaka. तेषाम अवस्थादीनां साक्ष्यत्वात् न साक्षी भेदकत्वम् इत्यर्थः. Avastha, desha, kala, guna, etc. They are all sakshya, they are drishya. Drishya cannot create bheda in drashta. They don't belong to drashta. What belongs to drashta will create bheda in drashta. What belongs to drishya cannot create bheda in drashta. Nothing belongs to drashta. Therefore, there is nothing to create bheda. You have to remember, if I say, I am drashta, what belongs to drashta?
nothing. Nothing.
So if I want to claim I am drashta, I should be ready to accept this. Nothing belongs to me. This is actual sannyasa. To be in that position, that really nothing belongs to me, the Atma. So at Ahankar level, if I have learned to let go of everything, then at Atma level, I'll be able to own it up. If at Ahankar level, I have not learned to let go of anything, how will suddenly that happen in case of Atma? It will never happen. Tyage nahi ke you can shout on top of your voice. Tyage nahi ke amritatvam, tyage nahi ke amritatvam. So what is tyaga? When I have to practice that in my life, then only I will know. So they are not Sakshi Bhedaka. Nanu yad dehaste. Now this is a beautiful question and beautiful answer also. ननु यद देहस्थे मनसि यस्य ब्रह्मत्वं भाति ततो देहांतरस्थे मनसि तद अभावात् तद्गत दुःखादि संबंधात् दुःखी स्यात् इति शंकते. चैत्र does sadhana and in his antakarana brahmakar vritti has come. So Chaitra understands aham brahmasmi. This jnanam is in his buddhi, in his antakarana, manah. Maitra does not do sadhana. Maitra doesn't have brahmakar vritti. This is the position. Chaitra, when there is dukkha in Chaitra antakarana, because there is Brahma Jnanam in Chaitra antakarana, Chaitra does not get affected by Chaitra dukkham. Because Jnanam is there. And we know, there where there is no Jnanam, all such Ajnani, they get affected by their dukkham or not?
Yes.
They all are dukhi. So Maitra is dukhi because of his Ajnanam. Because of Ajnanam, he will have tadatmya between Antakarana and Atma. Now the question is, in Chaitra Antakarana, in Maitra Antakarana, Brahma Jnanam is not there. So Chaitra Antakarana will prevent Chaitra from identifying with Chaitra's sorrow, and therefore Chaitra will not be affected by sorrows arising in Chaitra Antakarana. But how will you prevent Chaitra from sorrows arising in Maitra Antakarana? Because in Maitra Antakarana, Brahma Jnanam is not there. And Chaitra has understood, I am Brahma. That same Brahma, Atma, is there in Chaitra as well as Maitra. This is the question. Let us see Tika. I hope you understood the doubt. Sarvadeheshu in Moolam. Atma ekatve, atmaikatve, प्रतिबुद्ध परमार्थ तत्वस्यापि अप्रतिबुद्ध देह संबंधात् अशेष दुख संबंध इति चेत्. In all deha, sarva deheshu atma ekatve, is this problem. Sankhya people, they say many atmas are there. If you accept only one atma, Sankhya means all darshanas, they accept many atmas. But the yuktis that Siddhanti used were Sankhya yuktis to refute Nyaya. So now Sankhya says, Sarvadeheshu Atma Ekatve. If you say there is one Atma, Pratibuddha Paramartha Tattvasya Samasa Vigraha Pratibuddha Paramartha Tattvam Yena Saha Pratibuddha Paramartha Tattvaha. Tasya api apratibuddha deha sambandhat. Apratibuddha is Maitra. Pratibuddha is Chaitra. Apratibuddha deha sambandhat, because there is only one Atma. So Ashesha Dukkha Sambandha, he will have Sambandha with all sorrows. Because Jnanam is only in his Antakarana. सिद्धांति सीटिका. समस्त कल्पना बीज भूता ज्ञानोत्थितेपि अन्यगतत्वेन कल्पनात् न तद दुःखेन दुःखित्वम् ब्रह्मात्मैक्यापरोक्षेण मूलाज्ञाने बाधिते दुःखित्व संभावनापि नास्ति एव अन्यस्य तद्गत दुःखित्वस्य स्वगत दुःखित्वस्य च बाधितत्वात् इति परिहरति तन्नेति। समस्त कल्पना बीजभूत अज्ञानोत्थिते अपि all kalpanas are arising because of ajnanam. So kalpana bija bhuta is ajnanam. Ajnanothite api anyagatatvena kalpanat. Dukkham is ajnana utthita, arising from ajnanam. But in that dukkham, if it is anyagatatva kalpana is also there, that it is not my dukkham, it is somebody else's dukkham. So अन्यगतत्वेन कल्पनात् न तद दुःखेन दुःखित्वम्. By that dukkham, I don't get dukhi. Brahmatmaikya aparokshena mula jnane badhite. And when Brahmatmaikya aparoksha jnanam takes place, then mula jnanam is badhita. Badhite dukkhitva sambhavana api nasti. There is no possibility of dukkhitva at all. Nasti eva. So dukkhitva sambhavana is not there because of my dukkha, Chaitra's dukkha, or Maitra's dukkha also. Anyasya tadgata dukkhitvasya swagata dukkhitvasya cha badhitatvat. Anyasya tadgata dukkhitvasya swagata dukkhitvasya cha. Somebody else having dukkham in their antakarana, because of that also tadgata dukkhitvasya badhita. That dukkham is badhitam, that dukkhitva is badhitam. And swagata dukkhitva is also badhitam. Maitra's dukkha and Maitra's dukkhitva is badhita. Chaitra's dukkhitva is also badhita. Badhitatvad pariharati. Therefore, this objection will not hold good. Now see the shloka. Bodhat pragapi dukkhitvam nanya dehothamasti naha bodhadurdhvam kutas tatsyat yatra swagatamapyasat. Bodhat pragapi dukkhitvam nanya dehothamasti naha bodhadurdhvam kutastasya dyatra swagatamapyasat. Anya dehotham dukkhitvam bodhat pragapi na asti. Naha na asti. Naha asmakam. Asmakam nasti. Bodhat urdhvam tad kutah syat. Yatra swagatam api asat. Yatra swagatam dukkham api asat. Dukkhitvam api asat. Tad bodhat urdhvam anyasya dukkhitvam kutah syat. Siddhanti's answer is very good, very profound. He says, when you were ignorant, when Chaitra was ignorant, was he dukhi because of Maitra's dukkham?
No.
If he is identified with Maitra, he may be dukhi a little while. But so many others are there. Devadatta is there, Yajnadatta. He is not dukhi because of others' dukkham. So before the dawn of knowledge also, he was not getting dukkhitva from others' dukkham. And after knowledge, when one's own sorrow itself is negated and he doesn't become dukhi because of one's own sorrow, why would he become dukhi because of others' sorrow? This is expected from Jnani. Jnani, his sorrow he doesn't see. Where is the question of others' sorrow? Swagatam dukkham api asat. One's own sorrow itself is asat. What to talk of others' sorrow? Sittika. Yatra yasmin atmani पूर्वं स्वगतत्वेन भातमपि दुःखम इदानीम अहम ब्रह्मास्मि इति बुद्ध्या बाधितम. यत्र means यस्मिन् आत्मनि in Chaitra. पूर्वं स्वगतत्वेन भातमपि दुःखम. In Chaitra, when he was Ajnani, when there was dukkham in his antakarana, did he feel that this is my dukkham?
No.
Yes or no? Yes. Why not? When Chaitra was Ajnani, when he had sorrow, he thought this is my sorrow. Ajnana kale, everybody thinks like this. So purvam swagatattvena bhatam api. That dukkham was felt as my dukkham. Idanim, but now aham brahmasmi jnanam has come. Aham brahmasmi iti buddhya badhitam. That sorrow is badhita. Tatra katham purvam anyagatattvena bhatam. Then anyagatattvena bhatam. Purvam means bodhat prak, before knowledge. Idanim mama katham syat. How will he say this is my sorrow? If there is another pathantara, so where in the shloka it is said in the fourth quarter, yatra swagatam apyasat. Instead of that, if the reading is yatra praktanam apyasat. Instead of swagatam, praktanam. Then Tikakar says, इति पाठे यद अन्यगतम दुःखित्वम प्रागपि अन्यस्मिन् असत्. अन्यगतम दुःखित्वम, मैत्रगत दुःखित्वम प्राग अपि अन्यस्मिन् असत्. Maitra's dukkham is asat for Chaitra. Chaitra never cared. See, in this world, how many people are living? Too many people. Not only human beings, if you start counting all the animals, cats and dogs and cows, everybody's sorrow you start feeling. I have to do something for them. I have to do something for them. There is no end. So, this feeling sorrow for everybody, anyagatam dukkitvam pragapi anyasmin asat. Somebody's sorrow was asat in some other antakarana. Avidya vijrambitam, and it was arising from avidya only. Tat katham avidyayam nivrittayam anyasmin atmaniva syat ityartha. When avidya itself is gone, then avidya karya dukkitvam avidyayam nivrittayam anyasmin, in Maitra or Atmani, means in Chaitra. How it will be there? Avidya is badhita. Avidya is nivritta. All dukkhatva is badhita. So he will never feel, I am suffering. But when it is said, Jnani, they are sarva bhuta hiterataha, they engage in the well-being of all. And Atma upamyena sarvatra samam pashyati Arjuna, sukham va yadi va dukkham. So, Atma upamyena means, if you should understand that they will have sorrow, it is not badhita for them, it is badhita for you. So you don't become dukhi because of their sorrow. Otherwise, earlier there was one ajnani dukhi, now there is one ajnani dukhi and jnani dukhi also. This is one. Second is, sometimes some of them are only for jnani stuti. They are not really seeing that jnani is also suffering because of other suffering. It is just stuti of jnani, praise, that jnani can identify with all. But that does not mean you start doing something or the other for everybody. There is no need. And you can actually never do it. Because if you do something for someone, somebody else will be unhappy. This is how the world is. That's why Jnani is Nivritta. He doesn't want to do this karma, that karma. Any karma you do, no karma will please everybody. There will be enough people who will be unhappy. So Jnani is a wise person. He'll just step back. There is no point in doing anything. Further, बुद्धिरेव परिणामिनी कूटस्थ आत्मा इति योयम अर्थः प्रतिपादितः. बुद्धि ही एव परिणामिनी, आत्मा इज कूटस्थ. दिस अर्थ इज प्रतिपादितः. सतु तार्किकैरिव न केवलं तर्कावष्टम्भात् अस्माभिः प्रतिपाद्यते, किन्तु श्रुत्यवष्टम्भात् इति आह न चेयम् इति. Not only this is shown through yukti, like how Tarkikas do. Tarkikaihi iva na kevalam tarkavashtambhat. Only through Anumana, it is not shown that Atma is Kutastha, Buddhi is Parinamini. Na asmabhihi evam pratipadyate. Evam means in this way. But we will use Shruti also. Shruti avashtambhat ityaha. न चयम स्वमनीषिका इति ग्राह्यम. This idea that buddhi is parinami, atma is not, this is not swamanishika, one's own imagination or one's own thought projection. It is not like that. Kutaha shrutyavashtambhat, because we have shruti pramana, shruti support. शब्दाद्याकार निर्भाषा आनोपादान धर्मिणी भाष्येत्याह श्रुतिर्दृष्टि रात्मनो परिणामिनः. शब्दाद्याकार निर्भाषा आनोपादान धर्मिणी भाष्येत्याह श्रुतिर्दृष्टि रात्मनो परिणामिनः. श्रुति ही आह, मुख्य वाक्य विल बी दिस. श्रुति ही आह. What? शब्दादि आकार निर्भासा हानोपादान धर्मिणी दृष्टि ही भाष्य. वन वाक्य. आत्मनो दृष्टि ही अपरिणामिनः. अपरिणामिनः आत्मनो दृष्टि ही अन्य. और इसे आत्मनो अपरिणामिनः दृष्टिर्भाष्य. बुद्धि ही आत्मनो अपरिणामिनः दृष्टिर्भाष्य. बुद्धि विच इज शब्दाकार निर्भाषा. शब्द स्पर्श रूप सगंधादि आकार निर्भाषा भाषा भास प्रातिपदिक है. भाषा तृतीय एकवचन. और भाषा स्त्रीलिंग शब्द यू कैन टेक. भाषा दैट इज इजी. बुद्धि ही शब्दादि आकार निर्भाषा. वन हानोपादान धर्मिणी एंड इट हैज धर्म ऑफ हान एंड उपादान. इट इज भाष्य. भाष्य ऑफ व्हाट? अपरिणामिनः आत्मनः दृष्टि ही. इट इज दी दृष्टि मीन्स illumination, jnanam. It becomes the buddhi becomes the object of knowledge for aparinami atma, and buddhi's parinama is in the form of shabdadi akara, anopadana dharma, etc. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति. शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति